PBfit or PB2, which powdered peanut butter deserves a spot in your kitchen? Today we break down taste, nutrition, and value, fast. If you love peanut butter but not the calories, PBfit and PB2 promise flavor without the fat. We'll compare ingredients, taste, price, and give a final pick. PB2 keeps it simple. Roasted peanuts, sugar, and salt. About 4-6 grams of protein per serving and much less fat than regular peanut butter. PBfit uses peanut flour plus coconut palm sugar and salt. It delivers roughly 8 grams of protein per serving, a higher protein punch. PB2 tastes more like classic peanut butter, but can be thinner when mixed. PBfit mixes thicker and packs more protein, though some find its flavor slightly muted. PB2 tends to be cheaper and comes in core flavors like original and cocoa. PBfit costs a bit more but offers organic, sugar-free, and more flavor options. If you want budget-friendly and authentic flavor, PB2 is the pick. If you want more protein and variety, choose PBfit. Your choice depends on priorities. Which do you use, PBfit or PB2? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more breakdowns.